Today, we're showcasing how eloomi redefines your pre-boarding experience and enables your organization to design and deliver custom no-code workflows that can be delivered to your new hires. eloomi notifies users of their upcoming pre-boarding tasks, making access effortless. Clear timelines support new starters in understanding what to expect and helps to boost their confidence ahead of their first day. Pre-boarding is simplified and streamlined, setting clear expectations and providing essential information and resources in a focused and accessible format. Our workflows deliver vital information, provide access to essential documents, and include comprehensive features to help you create your perfect pre-boarding experience, making sure your new hires are well-informed and prepared. By connecting the pre-boarding process to training content, your new hires receive a complete experience where tasks, information, and content are aligned and available in one workflow. eloomi creates new hires that are confident and ready for their first day, allowing them to focus on integrating into your organization. With expectations already set, you can set the scene for great onboarding experiences to help reduce time to productivity and speed up new hire time to value. Great pre-boarding is crucial for on-site, remote, and hybrid work environments, and eloomi scales to support everyone. Pre-boarding content often serves as the first real taste of an organization for new hires, making it critical to make a positive impression. Turnover is highest in the first 45 days, and a great experience significantly improves employee retention.